JD and like subscribe na kayo sa TikTok ko.
Representing Taguig City, Miss JD Rosales. Wow! Wow! Very beautiful. Wow!
I'm Joe, happy to meet you. I'm so sad.